Okay, so what we have in the box here is a Kingwin single bay mobile rack for 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. So that would be for a laptop drive or a full-size desktop hard drive. Now this is going to be an upgrade to my editing rig, which is the Dell Precision T7500. Now if you're not familiar with what this does, you put this in one of the drive bays of your desktop PC, and you can actually plug in 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch drives into your PC without actually having to open up the PC. But let's get this little box open here so you can see what I'm talking about if you're not familiar with something like this. So let's take a look inside here and see what we're dealing with. Get the bubble wrap off here. And it's just a very simple little device here. Throw that out. Basically, this fits into a drive bay, and you see an opening here. That's for your laptop drives, and that's basically an SSD or a hard drive of 2.5 inches in size. This is for the 3.5 inch, just a regular internal drive. You have this, as you can see here, you have this little reminiscent of like a VCR door, but it's made out of plastic, and you can probably see in there the SATA connectors back there. So you have your power and data SATA connectors back there, and what that's going to do is just your drive's going to plug right into that, and it's really simple. On the back here you have your power and your data connector here, so it's basically a pass-through. You also have the IDE connector, which is a power connector, but that's just there for legacy equipment. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be using both SATA ports here, and this is a little vent here. It actually looks like it has a little fan on there, so that will cool down your drive while it's in use. And as you can see, the wiring goes up front here, and you have your power light and an access light, and then actually a power button. So what you would do is you would take the drive, the internal drive, and you'd plug it in, whether it's the small drive or the large drive. And once it's plugged in, you turn it on. Your power light should come on, and the access light will come on when you're accessing data off of that drive. And then before you pull it out, you never want to pull it out while it's spinning, because that could damage the drive. So you would turn it off, then once it spins down you can pull it out. Now the drive, as you can tell here, will stick out at the end here. I don't know exactly how much, but it will definitely stick out. I don't know about the 2.5 inch drive, probably by a little bit maybe, I don't know. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to install this, and I'll show you what it's all about. But the construction on this is all plastic. The shell here, the door here, and the bezel. Actually, the bezel seems to be, this part of the bezel is metal, and it all has this brushed metal look to it, but this is just a basic little sheet of metal here. But the construction is plastic, except for the rails here, which you use to connect it into the drive bay on your tower. So it's a very basic little adapter, again, just under $17. Of course, you get your little manual here, which is stuck to the bubble wrap there, but really won't need it. It's very self-explanatory how you plug this in, and then of course it does come with some mounting screws. So that was a quick little video unboxing of this hot swappable drive bay here, and what I'm going to do the next time you see this, it'll be installed, or I will install this in my editing rig. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And as always, if you want to help out my channel, give me a thumbs up. You can share this video, or you can actually join my Patreon, all of which is greatly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.